Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the beautiful Eiffel Tower. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. Place your piece of paper vertically and starting from the top, draw a line going down, curving towards the left and the right. Close the lines at the top, drawing a bar. Now follow my steps to draw the rest of the tower. And remember, if you ever get lost, you can always stop the video, rewind and watch the steps as many times as you need. And that was the last layer, the base of the tower. Let's draw an arch at the base, a line in the mid layer, and a little house shape with a shiny tip. Now, let's go down the tower, drawing horizontal lines all across the layers to reproduce the metal bars of the real tower. Add some lines on the arch and mid-layer. Color these two details in grey. Inside each shape created, draw lines crossing each other in an X sign. This way it will look exactly like the real tower. And that's it! We have now drawn the majestic Eiffel Tower. Well done, everybody! I hope you had fun. And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Oscar. Your bike looks amazing! Well done! I like the red and blue together. I also really like the yellow paper at the base. Excellent job! Well done, Oscar! If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!